for online store for by your friend abiexpress.com. Abrochi memu na upobiato bibie friga na mawa en how hukra. And one is a ubeko online. Now what type it www.abiexpress.com. Now me say open taria enye for baku neton, upe laser enye for baku neton, upe kentia enye for baku neton. Upe biano enye for baku neton. Wanya your friend multiple vendors. Now me say uto wadian so enche kura na wonsaka. America, UK, Canada. We are here for 9 na baby bia wo bia no ombe shipi wunyama no dia bro in no time. Now me say Abi Express no ayes a makola ewo online abiexpress.com kai say abi ni ABBI abiexpress.com online store papa abiexpress.com all in one source ampa.
Tititititiri de bepemne insuhwem amayati asese nsu eyenkwa na asase edawe emu hanchichemu aduoson so eyensu na sete saade a denti na wotena se emansukom ane nsu enwanwo yiraw emawani tuka wonsem erade na ye drilling company limited won ababeso haw bebria na nipa nemu efa nsu ho wobetu asase yem kopem se wobetu nsu pa ehotew ne watu ade amaw borehole drilling yaye bi water treatment services yaye visibility studies ehun se baabi a wo kire yense to know a yadi betu so asasene yem ansan yetu ye hand any electronic pump installation hydrofracture ya the machines ahoro esi asasene ni yatinsu na fi baby biare wa begu faako yem borehole drilling no ehotew utimenum wode horade egwarempo a unya ohaw ankrankrai afiesim apartment ahoro insurance hotels estate developers washing bay ni numeku momre ne rade na ye drilling company limited ya bebo am wenyen super putu yang was 0245 636 634 and 02471 714 72. Eradinaya Drilling Company Limited. This is Sue Ayonkwan.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
No Christian can stand in my presence. Christo ni bien to me na menim. Na rebel so bempa ene ye ndidi na tem men kasentia no CSF momwa na movement to me kwa nanim. Ya sramo na nka mamboa dada enye nyi se obeboa me no de kwadwa nenum. What? Adwene be ya dwuma. Medam nyina CSF nti be sramo. Me na topic ne nye gidigidi. Why? Rebel so bempa we di CSF atem ye moa ye nkwasiafo ejimifo wa ye mebusuafo emfa me ho me reply no. Ye na wo Ghana ha ena oni chief imam nsem ne bai okokasa ya zongo youth na ntia sese ensoro mabai no kura buta na chief imam ba bewu me pa chaw me kwa me ye video e kire se oboa chief imam bi ewu because papa yi agi awenye owu a na wa kire den e ma ye nua bi ye nua ba bi chief imam na bi e betwetwa bo no se wusu brimpa o so wusu brimpon sam me kaya odi na ntwie koi papa yi sisana no obi entie me mamu se papa yi onya nkwafo na onka no kre obi entie na ntwie he lied about the cow. He lied.
Bem. As soon as I made my bonte meka into obi anim de course enti de obi anim ni se osu bempa hyenkom ena muslims kwakwa attack osu bempa enu osuro no di na ntwie kopa ache onya no kre memfa na ntwie bia kopa ache
but peace and love. The Reverend presented a cow to show appreciation to the chief imam. He said, but for his swift intervention, issues would have been worse.
As soon as I made my bonte mechan, it will be an immediate course. It will be an immediate say. Usubem Passion come and Muslims cocoa attack Usubempa, and will throw no dinner pure copacho and Yanucre, Minfan Tribian copacho.
But peace and love. The Reverend presented a cow to show appreciation to the chief imam. He said, but for his swift intervention, issues would have been worse.
Now, Adioya and I'm a fit. Sunset.
Titin Sembia, Nanka, Yamumidi. A cabra soften a castle in Yaku could do bomitia. Kamachia me by ye, and you number me jirahe. Casama banning your papa. Now make a show, a radio phone in Casama bano, can your papa. And Yaminam so be a cotton and you. And Yaminam say, O be a ton and tree, a quacopacho. Hallelujah. Also, my castle be turned a joke of patch. When I'm torn and dream, you torn and dream. When the Jew go me talk prophet. And what? And I know because they jump so far go so go to Jai, and the more mine. What shall come to you is none of the well, and an asthma sham na him cough for coffin and quite fear. Muko Yania, Tian, and Yadia, so one said, and then the Tias in Tikanya. A very idea, or could be one what Ninchini, Ninchbemba, upon Chibemba, or Jambemba crap. But you copacho. Wait, which is someone pass young common name, not only Ninchini, none of our Coso Kramerton, no one pass the other do a him fee. When someone pass everyone come out comfort, conform, but the more Indian come out comfort. Yes. Quasia conform, Quasia Trona. Ah, Obia, so where you come. In the Bimako should be patch out, beautiful. So I say, Ghana, Kisosum, anyway. Oh, when I'm missing it, toss on Quasia, Yamiseno, a toss of Ghana to do. Quasia, Yamiseno, toss of Ghana to do. We are pursuing who's yes, because I'm through. We are pursuing who's we did for. What Yamin, I saw some come Yakopacha one. I said, oh, what did that? Oh, what did you find? So when Yamis me must not make a tournament went to Kanakopacha. Did you have this before? Or so for I won't tell you, I won't tap on two children. A boy with Jamajano, so won't tell me. Mina me catch out. That's right. Upa me quotation from the soap, and me quotation. And written about the soft tobacco, or told Johnny Bacham only Babu Mana. For Johnny Fifi, I catch a fun hour. Self.
As soon as I made my bonte mechan, it will be an immediate course. It will be an immediate say. Usubem Passion come. And Muslims cocoa attack Usubempa, and will throw no dinner pure copacho and Yanucre, Minfan Tribian copacho.
But peace and love. The Reverend presented a cow to show appreciation to the chief imam. He said, but for his swift intervention, issues would.
Pachao, where you say, Reverend Supermpa, it will be begun. Uncle, no, no, Pang won't cost of Menka, or Pang will say, Quasiapa, Menka, where or Pang will say, or Tony Cheer. Number 2, on Yen Cheer. Where you or Pang will finish case, Naman. Afi said, yet the Bible when they cry and Juma, Ewa Ghana ha, and can Reverend Supermpa, or no D4. We don't have to trust this man. Essence or Yan Quaffo or Casa, no assassin. No, I've run Madame for. You went out, what Casa me Madame for. One fan named Chian Copacha, would name Copacha. The other Yana said, almost shame come here. Na, who will be back. No more killing me, say, or who on your own commission. Chief Mamma commission. Can someone on my car found, eh? Papa with one son Subaya, or the man to quack a season gun, how Reverend Subempa. Since some Subay may catch up with neck or hard getting. Now, would you have I don't know Manakoka. Na nedu, na nedu a woko kasafa na mama brown wa be defender. Na nedu, show we na show one year. Na the Reverend Osubempa chia. Mo anu be yi kama mo. Any sa journalist, sa fine journalist ya. We jai journalist aduma and wa kwakwa Reverend Osubempa so them say, "We ya sofo." fine journalist I quote now and what done it also for go Bible school that way one travel sham come here na mo di owu na nipa o be threaten me Abraham me wie o be tin se manyumre we hwe o be threaten me tie do okay after chief mam come she omo si nkrofo bi ewu zongo nim any chief mam ho cha so ya powerful montie
wabusa on se di entra wan se no de Ghana fon kan wo so obi antie adwene nko ho fine eye den na chief mam na bedi akire ewu na de ni di na bedi eche na de onu so wi 1 week time adentia wow nti obi tenase na odwene sa asemu ehu a na so won se no den na nkrofo mba ha be yes ade no matese mienu awu
omo ba
ha no mienu awu omo wu obi ante ase ama omo ba ha no ebi aba mi fi omo fa
ebi omo jemu se asema kan ye no kore o bi for me se huta omo se boys no go buy yes ade o what has happened to them
imam kache mutu go be kiwa mushiga aljanna ya girma Allah kache mutu go be kiwa mushiga aljanna
ebi omo jemu se asema kan ye no kore o bi for me se huta omo se boys no go buy yes ade o what has happened to them two of them are dead 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 the boys no go buy yes ade o what has happened to them two of them are dead two of them are dead
modie owuo nku a modie owuo ba na weni age buta no se buta we ensuruma no kra buta no ensuruma na assistant se wawu ana se zongo youth na ana unya vision no unya nkopon no wan kan che se vision ni jai na de basa baba e ma odi na ntwi akopa che se wan fa na ntwi anko wan fa na ntwi be na anko na ntwi be na wan fa anko wan fa na ntwi be anko odi na ntwi ko emi
bem asu se me ma abonte me kan nti obi anim de course nti de obi anim ni se osu bempa hyenkom ena muslims kwakwa attack osu bempa ena osuro no di na ntwe kopa acho anya nukre memfa na ntwe bia kopa acho
but peace and love. The Reverend presented a cow to show appreciation to the Chief Imam. He said, but for his swift intervention, issues would have been worse.
Na adio ye na am fe bem asu se me ma abonte me kan nti obi anim de course nti de obi anim ni se osu bempa hyenkom ena muslims kwakwa attack osu bempa ena osuro no di na ntwe kopa acho anya nukre memfa na ntwe bia kopa acho
but peace and love. The Reverend presented a cow to show appreciation to the Chief Imam. He said, but for his swift intervention, issues would have been worse.
Na adio ye na am fe sanse
titin sembia nanka ya momidin akabra sofu ne kaso nya kokodo bomidia ka homachia me baye ene anwumre me gira he kasema aba ne nya papa na me ka kira ka radio phone nyina kasema aba no ka nya papa enya me nam so obi akoto na ntwio enya me nam se obi ato na ntwie akwa che hallelujah also my castle between the joke of patch when I'm to an dream patch it to an dream patch when the dream go on me talk patch prophet and what and I know ko say the cham so for ba go so ko to dwan e dia mo man wa sham come say two is na na be wu and na smart sham na hin kwa for na kwa hin vie mo ko bia ne ya o tia ne ya so won say na na tia senti kwa nya ne ya afedi die ya okobie wa no nantwinini nantwibema ai aponchibema ai otwabema kra che bale kopa chawo we
wo hye mo nkwase ankom ne na fa wo no so a na mo de nantwini na no makoso krama tuntu na ono so kwase na wo de edu ahimfi wo hye mo nkwase
abi wo de koma akomfo
pa
de ma odin dia no koma akomfo
yes kwase akomfo ni kwase antro na
obi a wo urade so wo ye komse ene bi ma ko hye bi pacha wo di vo Ghana nyinaa Christosum nyinaa ni kwase. Oh, onyame se ni doso kwase, nyame se no doso Ghana todo. Kwase nyame se ni doso Ghana todo.
Bia pesi ehunsu.
Yes, me kasa misro.
Bia pesi ehunsu we edifo.
Onyame na so shem kom ya kopacha wana se. Oh, what be that?
Oh.
What you find?
Me fa na eli a share.
So onyame se, me masna me ka to na me buanti kwa na kopacha. Did you have this before? Osofo kwa wonche odwa wonche abonche wonche dwan. Aboa moja na osofo wonche bi. Me na me ka kira.
That's right.
Upa me quotation from the so na me tena me quotation kira no. Enu tena Baptist of baako. Wo to odwa ne betam ka ga oni Bible mana. For odwa ne fifi akọ. Me ka te fa na wo. Self akọ.
As soon as I ma abonte me kan nti obi anim de course. Nti de obi anim ne se. Osu bempa hyenkom. Ena Muslims kwakwa attack osu bempa. Enu osuro no di na ntwe kopa acho anya nokre. Me mfa na ntwe bia kopa acho.
But peace and love. The Reverend presented a cow to show appreciation to the Chief Imam. He said, but for his swift intervention, issues with
nantwie na sem na yade ano so akwakogu no na chese odi nantwie ekoi wiase nyina edi ho adanse se odi nantwie koi afa ide to so no nyankopon na rabe no usum empade ne hoto no so no nyankopon no onka no kre. I don't blame him for his prophecies because eno no okasa o se ni nyankopon na de prophecy ne ba wa hye nkom bebre amam de ebem so a prediction o ye 50-50 enkom sha washa amem me be bo video di akere me need na time me mo wiase na u said ya papa we tie papa we oyo mammofo odu wa ko fole MPP e be ka say Avram NDC for miska me bia ntumi ntomi o kra me witness wo rem na wo supempa we ye perfect example say me obi ntumi ntomi NDC ya na nya meka MPP ya na nya meka na NDC anya party me NDC ya bonu na mai want to be nipa now you want to incite others o kasa say ada na kwesi ewu amun kase ntia me when we say evangelist for no bia kama asem da when so ko agiman so fo buje wait akwesi ewu a when so ba kama asem da o kama asem for debate me so fo bia ntumi nyina manimo evangelist for nim say me ka no kre na me ka kira wo evangelist bi o so agi ne hu de on fra me number die me number ni we are evangelist. What's your Avram message or the Aban or Boaframe debate? Also, be a yedin. You know, Reverend Osubempa, when you obey dia, any miss at one bad debate. My number here 0244-856-241. Oh, from an answer coming or from a manager. My manager, I'm a down. No Christian can stand in my presence. Now, we are Reverend Osubempa, Nana G, Madame Hosha, because. Ya call logic complain. Ya call report to that now. Ya call report to that war. Because ya jim ready. Ya call report to case ya to. Me we are made me who Reverend Usman Pansa. CSF for in India dance here. Say me Abraham, Anna P Black, Anna quotation master, Anna Rabbi. Janam Krom. Na ye 3 me bakuto from an obedient Sakayen. CSF for na. Well, Canada Japan Grand Trustee Ghana Police Canada Japan. On trusted Ghana Police, this is the time we will put Ghana Police to test. Oh, Kasababo IGPD, Minyama. TCSF for Edamo Betty say, me 3 me back to out of form. Monqua Jip, Monqua Shami. Oh, Reverend also been power. But the men quack, me life, Rabbi life. Oh, Kasa, oh, Shawano. O kasa wom sabi efie nyansa kura woni bi o kasa rough Obe ma IGP warning when you soon a brew o kasa Ghana ya wodia say wona man na do president nonsense on kwa na akoto aba no woni be do food soldiers here woni be do Canada Japan here woni be do MPP from pin for giants over power wa ko president na ba mu a ne nkom sha mbem na ni o sha nkom ambem Bible be cho so onyo difo ya the Bible ne here aduma kwa Bible no class go super so he has to die according to his own Bible who your difo abrona woody and when your members still nasi and almost some fans any don't trust this man and his God any obiantie don't trust his God
a secret what's going to happen in the American election maybe who so ba no Oh, and then me can't cry na omun Sunday. Me can't cry no be any so ban be man be gina. Ma sorry. Me preaching am say ha who so be kuta America for flag. Na be man be person di feel say. No ban na man ho anya dia be man be ji. Ba be man be try ya wontu. Sa tam cry na nya oba ne be man. And no obi akra ni.
So where are we now? Who's going to win the American election?
Oh, susumu mom there. The lady oba ne be fa.
But physically.
Oba ne be fa.
Okay.
Because onu nekutano.
So that's a prophecy that we can note down as well.
Oh.
Reverend also paper says Hillary Clinton will win the American election.
Papa ekutano.
But
now we are sure say obeji.
I don't know.
After my ex-friend, who shall come to America about one, Hillary Clinton ever winning when winning. Just say I know them. Say young couple no vision. It shall say Hillary be winning. That God is a liar. Everything that we young couple no need what make Christians. These people are playing with you. December when you are a cocoa season. Omo be jilamo. Una me come jilamo. Say Hillary be winning because now we can say the race in the corner. No be him say Donald Trump ever winning. And you know Donald Trump ever winning. Where your friends and come share a backfire. Chief Imam, that's what you want. Then come share back some backfire any. Yeah. Mem trao. Yeah. Ocean come for Ghana who met him. Yeah. Tie. Yeah. O Kasafa Ghana who met Ghana met him. O Kasafa President John Dramani Mahama who met him. Or your Ghana citizen. Or your Slim free Slim met him. Ocean come the fan Nanado who met him. Nanado Yamesume president. Why some Yamenka? Seven Yamebusieni. And I'm premier down for me, so empowered down for. But Kasafa Ghana, who I met them, it is in the constitution. So, Obia want the right, say, or agree and or disagree. In the media, all women will be Ghana. My Shabon come the free Ghana, they copy America. Look at America for no more than commission a better woman. Ah, and come share some backfire. Any shall come say first lady be. Don't trust any.
Ghana, if you do not pray, Ghana would bury a first lady.
Bones and Jesus.
Clap your hands for Jesus.
But who said you have very much?
Some come share with 2017. And our share come 2017 say 2018 first lady be first ladies no and ometi one enya Rebecca enya Teresa enya Lordina enya Nana Kunadu omo ina na so ntiase enya 2019 ye wono enya 2020 enya ye wono we you be out here dey hoto no so Ghana BBC Ghana for papa we ye nipa e wo se dey ye to no so every day owo hu commission me Abraham me ma wo sa chance ne da o ba be bra me Ebeta say wait to Yamaka. Then Abraham Sreska na obi Sreska o Bible no o chia de sre. Enti won kom sha amemu e kire se wonyo difo. Na wo ye bosremukafo. Wo wonyo difo. Ye fra wo bosremuka. Wo bo wusrem na waka de ope. Ebemu anaba amemu a ye nya ohwe. Ebemu anaba amemu a ye nya ohwe according to your Bible. Me ya Reverend also be patie. Woni e difo mbu kan na me kam abom. Wontie Bible. Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 20 people can come and be about them.
Deuteronomy 18:20.
What can talk about it? Hey. Someone catches Sabrantiano. That branch of Quasiano. When you madam for and come down. What's that? Look at some yakra. Hey. When will be a wasoli a being mindful argument to say me. I will show you my achievement. Me ma trade you to say when we say this can bobra now being in Yaduma. What's in Cremofodi and the debut? Me catch them. One saying Cremoni be attracting me. Ewo with media Buddha. Telling you Christianity is more violent than Islam. Ma catch them. Christianity. And Cremoni to say what Koran was some more. Obefre with debate. One no your flow debate we done. People are came back don't know here.
Deuteronomy 18:20.
My chin is soon brofing and so can you about them?
Deuteronomy 18:20.
Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 20.
What's so different from also aka assembly?
Or see what D4 to say no so bempa. Our man also. aka asembi ewo midim
I mentioned say on can
ami nyankopon men kan che ne se won kan
they be kasa nyamfo dim no
ani dio obekasa enyame foforo dim no onyame foforo ni dim so owusu bempa yusu because owusu bempa ka kire Ghana fo nyina say Jesus din ye busu din ogusu bo Jesus it was he black start kan
Deuteronomy 18:20.
Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 20.
Was that Odifu Obama no so aka asem
Odifu a Obama no so aka asem bi.
Amention say won.
Ewo Bible mu Nyankopon di mu. A me Nyankopon. Me nhye no say won kan.
Ne de be kasa nyamfo di mu no.
Ani de obekasa won nyame foforo Jesus di mu no.
Odifu kuno bewu.
Odifu okuno obewu. Eno da so ti wono. That means this God is a useless God. The God of the Bible is a useless God because obi also be shenkom na enya no kore wo di mu ana nyame foforo di mu a obewu. Asofo na ehye nkom wo mda so te kwa omo ayeye tam throw this God away sa nyame we owo hwa onko ne ntokwa se wo be ko ama Yesu we agro na wudi Peter kwentumi anko ama Yesu na wo Bible ni Peter onu kwentumi anko ama Yesu na wo hu Jesus da Bible si de emi ehu ne de aso ate ne di wa danse o di Jesus be compare e be frɛ IGP na IGP owo obi also obo ne ho ban ya me Abraham ni Jesus when was IGP born ho ban Jesus will try to Samagana. Jesus, Ghana citizen. Kabab no tie.
Na so kan okom say.
Enti se wo kan wo akoma mu say.
Na ebe na bi asem de enkan no a.
Ebe ye den ena se wo ye Kristoni a, wo behunu asem a Onyankopon kan ye because odifo no wakasa say ye ntro a wo be da na abehu me say Rabi no usu bempa oye otrofo. Nyankopon bia mfre no kan no tie.
De odifo kasa odidi no.
De odifo ne kasa wa awurade din mu.
Na asem na anye ho.
Na asem na anye den.
Anye ho.
Na asem na anye den.
Anye ho.
Na se odifo ne kasa na asem no anye ho. Ti se de Rabi no usu bempa ka say First Lady Bewu 2018 anya ho o san hyenko edoso me na mate so me da twen part 2 me yedi o kasa permesa man second reply ede de o hyenko say Hillary ebe wini America presidency a we wini no kan yese den
de odifo ne kasa wadide mu no
de odifo ne kasa we wurade mu
na asem na anye ho
na asem no anya ho
na ambamu a
na enkom hye na ambamu a
asem ade enkan no
asem a ewurade nkan ye no
na awoche odifo ne de kan
eye ahokyere ene odifo ne ya hyenkom na nsuro no simple obwa ohunre obwa ohunre wabo ohunre kan bro funu muntie
Deuteronomy 18:20
na ladies and gentlemen for the kum kwa so de ma twi kra mu nken bro for sem ne akra chesem ti wa ko university ewie doctor mu a lawyer mu a wa ko si we ya so dem so nche Bible we na omu nye manyi kra so bo mu church mu no asofo no omu kasa no omu nye nyi se interpreters no na so for jira so dem ujini na wo so uchirem so for didi atem na wa interpret ya tom wa adwenti o diska ba betom o ba betom me adoye awo ye ma me mbu wani nti ada but se e wo wadwum se wo de betom de na me wati ase sika ne madi so ye wadwen se wo ba betom Abraham a o di ato chacha my bet Liverpool disappointing Manchester disappointing me na me come chiro Manchester me Manchester ma say wo bet people kind
Deuteronomy 18:20.
Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 20 English version. Read the Bible for me.
But if any prophet dares to speak a message in my name,
if any prophet dare to speak a message in my name,
when I did not command him to do so,
he
must die for it.
He must die for it. It was we shall come. Na Nyankopon soma wa e wo se yekun kan.
And so must any prophet.
So must any prophet
who speak in the name of the other gods.
Who speak in the name of the other gods to say Jesus. Reverend Osubempa Jitu say Jesus ye musumdi. Odiphobia who will prophesy in the name of any other god.
You may wonder how.
You may wonder how.
You can tell when a prophet's message does not come from the Lord.
You may wonder how you can tell when a prophet's message does not come from the Lord.
If a prophet speaks in the name of the Lord.
If a prophet speaks in the name of the Lord.
And what he says
does not come true.
And it is not the Lord's message.
It is not the Lord's message.
That prophet has spoken on his own authority.
That prophet has spoken on his own authority.
And you are not to fear him.
And you are not to fear him. To remember those men, Untminya mi foko, hey, hey. Untminya mi foko, hey foko, hey. Brother Woody, then go next one. Don't trust this man. Man jini ni, onyano kwafo, onkano tre. Afei, ebeye dede Ghana ha say, Abraham say, open $1 million. Montie de ba yentie ba nsa. Meko TV station first one. Ye ko ye no, Said the Nema Koyano, and Kosa the pen. Second TV station, you will set back out, Jenny. Take the name paying for to say, young dang, and I'm say, Anka, young only TV station. They may catch up on say, Sika is the only TV station, or Sika na Sodo. Get almost 5 billion. When your license, no near the no a Sika Cassia in Tianco, my young train. Take your brave and a fag and F Collins Asante, who namunim. Nabra Collins, or a human win J, and not this suggestion, a say. Young try, you bet me receive a fund of $1 million. Nam said there be. I saw for no Jessica. And I make a setia into me kwa kase. Me, money me dada, minima yesre. I best say me didn't enjoy. Black Collins and mistake because our CSF photo. And the CSF followers are all over the world. Maybe I want to kind of pray. She followers were United States, she UK, she Spain, she Canada. She Argentina, she Australia, she Kaswa, she Nima, she Mamobi, she Sukula, she Taifa, she Siama, she Mungwa, she Teshi, she Labad. Je bet me rezi. Ti aguso ayeye discussion ye wie. Ena me ko show bi so. Enti me ko show ni so no. Eye adwena ye bra Collins de ba ye no. Ena me de to wo say ena bra Collins kan sank ye mpe $1 million. Ena me kra me chirem obi entie. Mimi so bia $1 million. Na me bisa $1 million mpa. It's $1 million more than my message. What are you telling me? Obi entie. Tiem tron.
We'll see who followers Emma $1 million. We'll see the followers Emma $1 million. One no cassette here so for me disco as one no Jessica. One no granted the anocradia mean TV that $1 million. Or to be the Akotoka if you any TV station. No so for about TV station or the Yanyan a Koto.
On my platform, we agree to disagree. Or yes, I'm a block.
No. Simple. Mr. Mandy, any problem be into idea no koba say, Wabram, young fighting ya TV station. Mr. Mandy, Opa Fre Collins Asante. Me catch a Collins Asante say, Collins Asante, minim Ghana for na Oshe Angela me attack ya so for na. E ya kwanya, omo fa su jiska na me attack. It is a minim. Na me discussing be better. No man, very careful. They will use the same strategy against me.
Perfect.
Mr. Mandy. Bisa Collins Asante. Me bisa brother Collins mo say, omo sha, ye appeal for here. Omo say ye appeal for $1 million. Na me say 1 million then. CSF and then we mati. Send them in mati. I bet petty Abraham see up $1 million or that than the followers. A suggestion and a bright friend Brad Collins they buy. And the me chilemu will show the soprano. Make I said the $1 million is too much. Adam Yananabu. Me go be one day straight, one TV station. It is even poor. Maybe say $1 million. Me kunipa. Chataba no fan to watch. Since that no nama on after almost saying the no on no could be show so you're kind. Where before one said I call you planting just to bring me down. Nobody can bring me down. Why? There are some people I will not reply them. I will not go down to their level. Why? On no says that now ni show so me koya on no nim say man kasa be $1 million you. Name me say obi na di adwen ba na me say there be too much.
That is why you buy no or buy a friend is saying Avram buy on na why the research was study in Biblia or the common sense buy. And that is why I strongly disagree with you, Nana. And that is typical of we Ghana for Africans. We want everything for free. Somebody has done their research and they want to come and teach you. I also want farm out for free. For free, saying one farm out for free. When the guy was ni time now the better one or the research or the time no ni time now the idea ni na no farm for free. Are you serious? Are you serious?
Ghana for social media near one. Oh, Kasasha Wanuyo. Oh, Kasasha Wanuyo. Oh, Kasasha Wanuyo. Nobody can bring me down. Let me come at nobody can buy me. I am priceless. After me, last issue. Name from Revia. Yeria. Nemchi na Samano. Wapambo. Ebe Kasabio. Kwasiaka. Rando Super Kasai. Or no threaten me. Orieno. Or the IGP Dinya Bem. Namuntia di Wakai. Rando Super Mwati Asie. Hey, IGP nya obao. IGP nya wakola. IGP onya wakola. When I control Ghana military, there is only one person who has authority over them. President Nanado. Now we no mukasa ebe bibi. Now we be born in Ghana. Who revenue subempa. Na me come chira. Enti no. We be threaten me Abraham. Who di agro. Any threat message ni.
No asembe ba me so in fact. Dale. Baby aduru dia ma hia be pam minimum nyina fi Ghana ha o. Eda woni mo be kaso be chi Yesu agwa ne biem. Me na me akogwa no. Mo pa mo ntronto.
The very day I hear him say again.
Tie sofutie. Me catch IGP. Na ma catch military funds wo mu nyomo mfrim. Wo be gwa Yesu. What do you mean? Wo be gwa Yesu ahamashia. Me ma jenkwa wi ase ajenkwa wo be gwa no. Now he be me bi ne ho fu bi. Wo hwe no kra o sene nana ne na jimi fo bi ode awo no. So we be gwa Yesu. Mama me fancy ya. Na this week memman crofo train brutal. Oh from your system ska. Da bi o semiska. Da bi o ne beka sa fusu bi anya me nipa. Ma miska na mfantua me ko nya me nipa na nguase ya kame. Basia mesimi ya shenka meboa no. Nankoma fa ne se me baketwa. Nanka me yi common sense na free trim na mama ne Yesu nyansa. Basia chimifo.
O John wo kasa te say IGP ya wa kwala bi. Am na so me ma warning. Oh papa yo that way. When IGP no. Enya wo nyonko ne no kura me ka kira. What it? So on man pegini wa nyonko fa. You are not the president of this country. Why? So na dictate my gun. I'm telling you, don't joke with the security of this country. Me ka kira. Rabi no so me pam what ase. Wo threat message no. Me minim say nyankopon bi antumi mo me ho ban. But what my young say wo boys a wo mudi awuma. Ti ma kwa report me de men kwa hye wonsa. Ti CSF officially. Sa mo ti say me na yebu. Mo ti say me tiri me ato form. CSF for Yinara should go and look for me from Rebel Osubempa. Udi agro papa. You are joking. You will not threaten anybody again. Me ma warning. When you soon bring IGP on your kola Javram Emma Revenue Bempa last warning men threat you be our Ghana have you men question na say akwa na men kwa na men because we are free bibi ya me pe ube hunu kodi chief man ho agro won yan kai yesi our security man innocent man e kwaje ho sotro bia wa no akasa sabe o kasa te sa abofra be bia wanyia wuti pen duri won commander respect kakra me tufu ofo so sa wo ya no kwafo a be boy e conversation kira Ghana fo ma jiatu me pa wo chaw me sra wuska wo dia mame e de ne de gurobo won kwa no wa cheska won kwa no wa cheska wo dim ska man for dia cha me ni p black impact abi me make it be that. Yeah, me shake it the whole Africa. Me come me shake it the whole world. Now I brought for patch or say me teachings no. Yenchum I brought for credit dance here. I brought for need dance here. TV. Me I brought for credit message no dance here. Oh, impact man why?
Such way like that. Mr. Why? Tie ade na so emma. Oh, we dear. Yankasa ye boss. He this man. He said, this is Abraham Bemusi. He said, thank you very much for doing this great job.
No, you know what? It's me who needs to thank this man. And please, Kafram, my tree is small. If not, I will speak it in your language if this man had taught me properly, but he didn't. So I can't. I wish I can speak in tree, and thank you so much for the movement that you created and the education that you are giving, because it is so needed. It is so needed to end the suffering of your people. And it's you who started it. And if not you, then this man wouldn't have seen it.
No.
And I wouldn't have seen it. And I wouldn't have been happy that even though I've been telling him for 1,000,000 years, he finally listened to somebody else and believed it.
Yes.
So it's because of you. So from me, from the very, very bottom of my heart, I thank you. You will come, I will cook for you. I will make you some Australian food, okay? I cook Ghana food, so don't think I can't do it.
But,
I will do it.
But
if you say it's not real, I think I will beat you here on camera.
Mr. Abraham, the other catcher said, we konkuna with the bayam. Sa konkuna was the emphasis kanya the engumuno. Yes, ye jay sika, yes, and the coffee, comma, so for only deny giant. Yes, so a one yamibwa, because the other we couldn't agree, and yes, ye baby, yes. They answer the other to you. I'm here who use your conkuno, ye free more, and Mara will catch it and say, yeah, fraud.
Tell him, Pavana, Abraham Meki. The whole world is shaking the whole world. Men am about preaching. I'm a kum chacha, create a dance here, kum chacha, et dia dance here, say offering bonus come. Mamma be any other, over Bawunia, but Mamma being conscious every Sunday, every week. Now, 7 days in a week, which we just about 4 times in a week. Can't tell you, Passay, Sicano Modiba, the Radibish now. We are cron for, so we'll catch over the face cabra, then Uncle Punch, you are a thief, but wouldn't you have one? Said the CSF here one, will be bois, 120, and I know Yanni Debia, Yanni every week. Yeah, come Chacha Casani uncle.
Coffee seconds. Uni baby. On said ye, on sell program, I'm no year no, me boom put to be. As a bia to me corner we short as here. As I na ma akaida for the fallacy for being yayen. Nasha, I Panama Avram Bemushe. See a collection quine. Ah! Mama, when you're quine for medal and Namu Avram Bemushe, see a collection quine. When you're quine, your assassin from Muko. Most of all.
CSF, Mr. Monkama, come on to me. From today onwards, you know the person you are following. Now, Mobati and Samakasia. Now, almost so good to me. Somebody frame up. To say, I'm be shipping we. Now, me come out to the many people like a casa. To more you free people like one and casa. One said and say, Mentama people like and back up come at him because of your big dish. I am 24. You better pay a we. What's it? Don't know so bampa. Wouldn't chat message ya. Me catch up a quarter portal. Me three cry to form don't joke with me. If you are a man, come and stand me. For debate enjoy this one.
Yes, you see which in India. Miracles or ye. Ubeyebi. Now why yakas yes no? Yeah. Yes, Nante Poso. Namini ho. Or the brodomianu. And nam 5. If he didn't pay 5,000. Mini ho. Yes, or my ensure at an answer. And no crano. Nay, if I say ankura miensa me pachao ensuo anointed person baako ene ye gina aso dem ha et said Elijah any Baal akonfo echo challenge Elijah ema woja fi suro bai mo ma wi asigina hu say Jesus na mo gini di no power mo ma nsuo ne na nsa na mento aso you can't you can't so na so si ho samuyo mwanyo question time ye baby samu
so when mo bi obetumi aye miracle no instantly na Abraham again biana patch of anabra na odwane no with and I know everybody will run miracle, everybody will run. I thought today in it will happen that part there.
CSF. One day, you'll all remember my name. My name is Abraham bin Moshe. I will never disappoint you. CSF na meka becha mo na nyumre we. Hwe mo mwawati. Number ni nie. Number na mde ato no. Mo support movement no. We will go places. Your studio ni nie. Hwe 99% complete. Ya bra bi the cameras ni ade aba. Eba metwani na de a kire mo. Wati abeduru but through destination be kwa akwaje. Ye mo bia mu ya bam. Si enya TV station in the future, ye benya en studio ni nie CSF studio ene atwagu no. Kasi edi agura na. Hwe. O ka se sika kakra mo send yedi. O ka se kakra contribution kakra na ba ni yedi ana. CSF studio ne atwagu no. Ye ni agro. The management team is working. Killers ne gwechi o Malcolm X na Bimoshe church ne wo. People like na one them, but spiritually people like can. Share. But this CSF one bro. Eba betreti me Abraham. I grow na we ni so. I mean pia bontra bi tiri ba ko nto fam. Bonsu we ta wrong meet. CSF studio na etwagu no. Hwe. Afa na grow na ba be start. I will bring back the fire. Fire na munim na akoda no. Governor also be back charge me kra. December yentin kwasi akomhye so obi bewu na mbete mo do e. Age ante. CSF studio na etwagu no. Share. Ochina manager be kire musika buy. Sika kakra bi na buy. Contribution kra na mba. But problem bi anim. Essence be nya dwuma gu obi abotom. Kakra bi na buy. Management asoso studio na ye kra. Share. Ubedi common sense family mu agro. O dia montra Abraham TV station gwom ne bia TV station. Me start no mo ka se me ndru ba bia me salutu Briskada na prempe. Me salutu Kofi Adoma. What old boga me salutu. Peter Noche me salutu. San Kofa no kre we openye Jacob Kwalisa Santi my boss I salute you. Management team around me third eye ba for Jan me salutu. Unu mi asamu ajan. What any more support me mo peso obi abete me dabu nyina se every CSF member I will make you people proud of me. I am priceless. Na nkoba beto me sika no medi. Me na me ka be kira. I am not fake. I don't lie. Hey, me ndi Ghana ni bi sika. Me wi a wo bi sika. So be a doubting obi register your business no. Na adwene say, "Hey, yes Abraham ya wi wedi me sika. Odi obeduru Ghana for me call police station." I am proud of myself. Me ba start teaching no. And no obi ehu say me mbaye 9. Enkoda 9 na ma wo me musuo. But man fem betudwa. And ka say sia na epie ya. Yes wa wo na yo wa wo na. But ka say di waku nipa. I am proud of my kids. I am the only child. Now 10,000 cry. Me am spends. Nonsense. CSF. My name is Abraham bin Moshe the First. Slave Queens. We teach mama why. Why are you quiet? Why are you quiet? Why? Wise people speak when they have something to say. Fools speak because they want to say something. Why? Now, memo a deep for them good Ghana no. Hey. December muni awano. Mama mweni now. December a chromphobia ba. Muntie.
And when you're for me, and then my more platform is on. And I know permanent shaka see a demo be beara. My son from Kennedy, and I'm a desire Cocobon Summing a day mamma. You drew month of a year December. Na a day our robbers a you mutipa. Now one day the moon one say on the own fasikai, on fair true, on farmer, on fire giant and a bokro no. On one day on one woman. Now who call her back actually say we need be free, I will be trying to be fool, Papa for dear to a board ogun sueni dache one sabeka the do 31st night on baba catch was a plant seed sene be ya fna besimuno on kwane sa bio last year de no nkoka na e best part December 31st ya so afi mo ya dre e last year kwara so ye ko kan sem bebre mesrem mama ni na ho on baba frema ka kire mo se mo fumo ni mo nyam emeta program no echi woboa enfo ni mo nyam bi enkwata bibie twokwa on be hwa opa etomba ka kire sa afi we die obia eni ada ho enya de be ma akromfo bia betoto ibotom no wa baba ba wiem de kokobon sama na no permit e ma mo se December abasi mbon so wa ye be boss akase ho na esi be program sakase sene be ya wa brabo ebesesa me pa cho wa friase ne fo sika tutu yi ho adwuma yesam so eni betima sesa wa brabo so no program no be betima sesa wa brabo amodi ya kwade akwase na busuafo de amomodi te mo hwe no we kokobon sam kase a nam so ya hwe ya omodi bi wi atutu ebotom wa hwe ba kase ton wa japade ton wa ka na fa ba afade na yankopon be ma mo ho so fru no musa korona ka na wadam kon first person kesen ka oton ne de ankwade be bo afade waso ma mo wi shachen waje na so de bia on eje ade na kono on fa ne de nyina enfa nkomubo no ne nimu wi no na nka yishira no na nsa enka mesam ma yani na wana wa ho betutu ebotom December.
Siasa for bada mun na se sia na Nero X eyi masutre se mo pese mo kasa kakra TTSF number na etwegu no number na de ato mo frafra na kire wadwe ende more fire atem de dia bia nim wa ye de dia atem agine no ba ya adwuma why mama phone ni nsu why na mo mecho ni poye sa atroforentem aba krom na oye mehyew mo mfa na mo nkira ma adwen why kire wadwen ebufo bia nim where part 1 oya hwe obeje part 2 didi atem didi NDC fu atem didi anasi atem didi didi atem rough Joan saw them jina pulpit here say the spirit of the Lord is upon you. Hello Nero.
Yeah.
All kodo.
Senior man.
All kodo.
Yeah, all kodo. Mon kodo na ma
one time.
And be me feel me say me first one. But right now, Ubia yesterday. That's panic. Mama, how I echo silence, no you wouldn't even retaliate or we didn't come to, have to say your mind or whatever. But you're you're intentional kawajin. You're a fair game. I support this. I'll feed the opportunity. I next generation.
One time.
Also learn. You are, if you are to support her, you are doing it for the next generation because the thing has been there for long.
Watch out.
We receive action.
Yeah.
No insult. Move Papa now over. But Bible na gana people man kada rock man ka kwasi o gina so de man ka kwasi and so ka go them just straight
one time. Thank you Nero. The Nero X ana mutine nka no. Hello. Ya mbacha wo di ni be bia wo kasa fi.
Me bacho mo program no so de.
Wo program so yetie o.
Me bacho papa obani ajewa Lebanon.
Ya o ajewa me hu o bacho yetie o.
Ayo.
My beloved
papa. Me that's papa. Just ene wa mama ni ajia ma ave de just o mo mu se me ponsu nyina me invite obi ya so me program we ya wa frame me. I say hey sensem wo ho. Na me say mo ntini o ma bi ase a aya mu nya botre me se ntokwa amanfo ne me akun o Facebook nya ntokwa ketwa. Obi great me frame say me ya na me defend us na me say there be so what Ghana no won kwan da say Christianity ni Islam kwan no ona wo be hu say yes Africa no mo dia be timi yen Arab fo krom na me go papa Lebanon ha be Chantal bonne ni dot ne brapo o ha gay ni lesbian ene ekoso krom na eso Ghana wa tade kora na mo no na so for the who preach me say papa no me nya na meda pa na my lunch baby I was that program we me da se ka o ma ni managi me da papa me da se
so that's it. Hello. Hello. Oh. Hello.
Good evening.
Yeah, Joshua. Pacha, we didn't know you Kasafi.
Me Frefi Tama, you have really taught and I've learned a lot.
Thank you.
And you have a lot of knowledge. Continue to open our mind, and we are there to listen to you and support you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Pacha Baswa, no wa bodin, na wa chere baby Kasafi. Hello, Pacha, we didn't baby Kasafi.
Pacha friend, Oxen, Kasafi Accra.
Boss, Pacha yetio.
Bema Avram, I'm Ishra.
Madam Ase.
Na and many moon and post to I give it to Facebook said the Ghana and come on my CSF for 4 years being anchor. Yeah, really Ghana and the area 4 years. As a same between our back.
Yeah,
as I have back, many Uninadio Mania would be. And if I am once when you just to me now, I was yes. I'm almost changes I get a no more get say. I'm cut. Say a quiet that anymore and toss all the bus. That's it.
Madam Swasi. Hello.
Yeah, but Abraham.
Yeah, Pacha, we didn't baby Kasafi.
Your friend John, I'm so divinity. I'm no Casapa. I'm one of mine. So like I
make out Pamato show no so Omuni Muntra Yam Bisano. Okay, yeah.
Winning one thing is I mean, you see, I mean, want some class here, Grano. I as a menka and Pampa. I will need beer or the Mayano. I will need beer or the Mayano. Wow, we any sort. Nice presentation.
That's it.
One big now, Dominic 18 to at TC. Also, if we no, I worried. Oh, Pierre, you're worried. Papa, when you some more back here. No, Pierre, you're worried. Me, particular, my, you're worried. But, and then, one man who said, we are no quaffle.
Madam say,
we are no quaffle, pa. We are no quaffle. Now, yeah, almost saw them now. I can't send way the show, ma. No more bossy.
What do I want to see you?
No bossy. No, then the American. You move up your put the capital market. I want to tell you the Bible. What kind of you so watching at the door? What you saw them? And my service did go live on the ground, off on the ground. School or walk on Kobe.
W.
And so says one that don't for book, you know, she. No, which section would say that when you deal with book, I will worry about the book, you know. Yeah, yes, sir.
Dabi.
Never papa rubbish no honor. No, you need Bible said that when you me I will judge me. Oh my God, Bible book and the Bible is to us so much here.
Dabi.
Oh yeah, don't much here to say the wish here. Now you can't Johnny said the boy food take won't just yet they can't walk at it. Kaka no more so fruity. Kaka, you don't more so fruity. Brother, Yamishra.
Damasi.
Yamishra, why don't we show papa? Na yenya ye down. Ah, the mental yato, ye title, the guy you know. Then you
Mon support movement on the Enquayanim. Mon support CSF and a Bebwa. Hello. Yeah, but we didn't be our Casafi.
The bachelor would be in Jimmy Boom, says here.
Your bachelor, what Casafi?
I'm saying you make us a free US.
Your bachelor, you
and you may work as so as I say, I had the idea sign to make us a new workers. Now, the prayer woman say, one will say, what can't see me money and they say, Sikano, Wachi, Weti.
Yeah.
Swati Asia.
Yeah.
This is the time young fans say you're paying for, including politicians.
Thank you.
Swati Asia.
You do about to
no or discover you do about to Jisikano, Neti, Uya, what's that?
Thank you.
Sankagana for Astati Air, your Musa, and community better home, which I say in the with your man. Swati Asia. And you know, I think says I would the ways to be a topic at the Atuwa. But one here by this said you can say, December by a Yomoko season on Peso Mutiko, Omutis Canaba, Munji, Mundisikano, the movie Masa Twaba at Yao.
Perfect.
On my pen, I hear course where I say, Ubiam Penocre, Canocra, yes, you win yet. Swati Asia, Canocra, yes, win yet. Swati Asia, and Timsikani, yes, what you say, yes, you find a beer would open a Kupisano, and one this kind of man with the beer. Swati Asia, ways and Kaya Batua, when you, it is and your Musa. That's it. Koswa, anti-flat and the flat topic. The Pia Manfua politicians is council prayer. We are what we're.
Thank you.
Again, can you find this girl or Baba Bravo? This when it down us will be Bravo, which is can and wait. We are the end of one country say, who's a win to me, wait me, it's an independent me out the win.
Simple.
So I think that's an SAO.
That's it. Koswa, hello. Bacha, we didn't be your cassette.
Your family, cassette, teach mine.
Yo, Bacha, it's you.
So, program on the
fair. Program so Casa.
Okay, that's my Basuna, the better Paso. Oh, yeah, so may try say, so may support Catano one. So may the engineer over Timenka.
That's it.
Now, the can say, Papa and some now can. Apart from say, who did you tell me now? And some now can now so in your contradiction. See, the Ukraine is say, no, Casana can have contradiction. You know, I say a show we to Hajmadia would the boy and that was pa. So little metro. Miss Mona can one of media support.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
Kwabi say video now. But I will frame it through Facebook. Me to me in fact. Tomorrow be frame it through Facebook. Oh, frame it through Facebook and ya me fa. Why? Farouk be from Facebook. Oh, from ya. Mean to me, in fact, to Miss Rawa. Man from me through Facebook. Why? Dear brother Farouk. Man from me through Facebook. Hello. Hello, Bra Farouk. Bra Farouk. Oh, from me through Facebook. Go back say video no. Why? Kati. From me WhatsApp. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Bacha. We didn't be your cassette.
From America. I'm from New York.
Bacha, you your boss.
From New York.
Yo, entio who? Where is it? Utio, lower volume.
Okay.
Yo, Bacha, you
from New York.
Yo. Bacha, utio. Bacha Baswa, no one lower volume Namaye. Yeah, would anybody be our Cassafi?
Pasha can sky too. I'm Pasha. Wow,
O Cassafri.
Pasha because
yo, yet you.
Pasha Master Kaka, I can say, and say, a dame who say, if I also Miami name, I think. Can't answer me now. I'm very bored.
Yeah.
Even I wrote on our platform there, I have so bored. And I said, no, I should be bored. But with time, I gained consciousness onto myself.
Yeah.
Something said, no. If you try to be playing video, no, more and more. If you don't grab on the attention, I said, no, I got to control. And I question the previous videos, no, I said, I'm gaining fully 100% confidence again.
Thank you.
I was telling me, they have to also gain the same confidence as I've got.
Me betray CSF for that. Me betray mu da. Politicians in number, promise me TV station. Politicians promise me say me kasa dia momo a. Omu see TV station dia mama. I have rejected the offer.
Abraham,
enye bibia na yaka Ghana for me nguma ni mu aseda. Ahia na many people like ebedi. Minua. Many people like ya no aduane ni bebi abeda saying na gift ya yede abay na me kwa koton e de agisika di. Reverend also bempa me mboni di mboni because oboa me ema me achede na wama obi ehu botai nti a ode boa me no.
Yes. Abraham matama e kato kwa han say. Omwan Bible no ka say. Ya wo sabe nkum anansa ni fa there no matter who asks you whatever it is, say what you're so for you shouldn't let your even your right hand to see what the left hand is doing.
No.
If I have been able to prove this small thing to him there, even he is telling lies and he is somebody we cannot trust.
Well, hello. Bacho, we didn't be on Kasafi.
No mommy did not make Kasafi in New York.
Bacho, yet your boss.
Well, that was the church. Consider the way,
that's it.
Consider the way, actually, the cry, no answer to this negative passage are comfort. I saw can announce it. I saw nothing at that time. What you papa penny, you say. Na Ghana way of some penny, you don't do Omkra and Ghana, a shower monster. Tiyembuye. Tiyemi, yet there was the Tiyemi.
Mr. Dasi.
Yami, Trade Yapo. And yes, I see ya.
That's it. Hello. Lower volume, no. Lower volume, no. Lower volume, no. O volume, who site here program, no. Yo. Who didn't even be our Kasafi boss?
Avram, make Kasafi UK.
Yo, yet you.
Hello. CSF is here to stay.
One time.
Na boa basu be pray. I'm over kai make a crack. Me nipa bia emre bi CSF be 3 years ago. Me attack CSF pa ma ka say papa what ade nyina kwakusi. Na ede na what attack ya bi sabri. But that time I was a lion. Hello.
Bacho yetio pa.
Yeah, if you ho my join CSF no UK Chesterfield. Chesterfield CSF group.
Wow.
Sana me Miami ho
wow.
Bia me ba ya master people say Miami 2 hands say CSF every day.
That's it.
Time me take mo catch obisa me say man we respect for but what take but free that 3 years no. But follow CSF.
I Obo me pressure pa.
Sure. Me my pretty CSF me crew obia madam bako ono okwaso pa afo otumba o say oni pa no ka sense you may say me who ayi asa obeba na me ka che say Avram beba eti me kofi because I say me time me ba so kran ni honti no me time na me ga mo dide beba but CSF meet me kasa bebre ni ba be wechi ye da wase pa na the usu me pa aye ne die me who say damage control. Let's give him a long rope.
Yeah.
But here the better no. Akoko bi no the better.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Keep on the good work.
That's it.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Be black, strong, and hashtag.
Thank you.
CSF. You have a friend, Mr. Master P. You are UK.
Okay.
That Beba Ghana next year summer me pacho me frewa me ukrana me no so for ukrana. I'll be very much happy.
Bacho Mate. That's it.
Right.
That's it. Hello. 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 Of course. Hello.
Hello, Abraham.
Yeah, Bacho. Who didn't be your Kasafi?
Yeah, me doing the Kwame, me Kasafi UK.
Bacho yet you.
Yeah, me question about Kope, and come Uso Bempa. Say, Uso Bempa fee say, or shall come na embrema. Say, you can't come sha. Hello?
Yet you, pa.
Say, Uso Bempa can't come sha. Also, or yes, specific. You can't come sha, and come sha no. A busy time way, a better time way from January, December 25th. Way and the busy. When the busy time we and your friend come share who will share on comma also to me share on come say 25th of December from maybe 1 o'clock equals 2 o'clock as some way and the busy yanko ponsing way busy in him saying yanko pon on share on cast some inch will be no control and you won't me my can come share wa bra who your prediction the omukani your prediction or more predict keke
or the Aje fans.
Or the Aje fans. Bema, yet Ghana prophet be and wash and comma and commission ebem. So who shall comma and commission be a what Bible most a walk around the money is see no. Yes, young common say if it's our time wait, because it's our time wait.
Thank you.
Bibi say besi is here. The Abema young was our DNS no any. It is a Bema ubia ben was and commission.
Thank you.
I won't dream about 2 foot room. So I see on and my president winning ya. And this year more beyond 2020 more beyond to a baby.
On Shankom.
Now on my above one. On Shankom say President Mahama Bewini and now President Akufo-Addo Bewini. More beyond Kwatwaba. Near face a sound commission. Any part to Abama will be more winning. Where because a woman president winning. My president. Wunam he. Okay, or say Akufo-Addo winning 2020. Sagana for in decided so moon to Aba. Yankopon and now Yesu Christ, Obama above Father to Abama, Akufo-Addo winning. And I'm Muhammad winning. I am passing some day. I know much no canon.
That's it.
For Mutrima, no, we are better to end this Bewini, MPP Bewini, a young Quasia some go.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Was that's it.
That's it. Actually, my friend, Yakasa, why?
Bachamate. Hello.
Hello.
Bacha, didn't baby your Kasafi.
You make a Casua.
You're all line, so yet you.
Name, nobody and on South.
That's it.
And then was my panny, you were what you after what the Papa and Son of Mensaka, which is is land.
Yeah.
Now, after the attendance, number well like you and maybe one says over there before 2019, everything, Papa Usuba, or Case. I go to the Brion or Case, I am John Dramani Mahama, Odu, or Tiati, or Case, Odu, or Tiati. I go to the Brion in our. Yeah, you are and the Papa no say 2020, you better attack him. What I say, if you probably not for this city, what said you won't say the bank. So I did get my head, they have a Catatiana. If you are there with Roby, and you probably Moazana, and was a fire, everyone. Abraham, you could say, we have better with the bar. I don't want to be a dog. You don't be what you that's so much as you. That's it. And it was to say, and as you have because when you have to maybe go to the mother on you, or that's why the commander, would you produce the what about the commander? And you see the problem.
Yeah, that's it.
And the that's it. I know about the on
that's it. Hello, Black Jesus. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Black Jesus.
boss.
Yeah, oh, line is so.
No line is oh, well, yeah. This is a common sense family Chicago. Yeah, Tawachi heavy.
Yeah, that's it.
Na Avra, boss, more line is so. Avra.
Yes, you.
What now? I want to fight your messages, people. And there's an issue about I say, I'm for baby, but let me tell you the difference between a man for mobile before. You stand in their own belief and their own Bible to disprove them.
Yeah.
And then the church said you are different among the rest.
Thank you.
Now me can't tell us if the way your wings are spreading on that one day you sit on Oprah Winfrey show.
Thank you.
Oh, now you never say Abraham Moshe is Abraham Moshe.
Thank you.
One day Africa and the whole will remember Abraham Moshe. You will sit on Oprah Winfrey show. Now me can't listen. I listened to one of our channel, the friend O channel.
Okay.
Now woman be of Indian. She was saying the same thing that you are saying.
Wow.
Now me see one day Africa will know who Abraham Moshe is.
Thank you.
When you sit on the biggest platform in the world.
Thank you. Thank you.
Also keep doing what you are doing, man.
Thank you.
Some of us know because we know what you've done.
Thank you.
And yet the message and your personality, we don't care about your personality.
One
I
time.
don't give a damn about your personality. I care about the message.
That's it.
That is transforming people to wise up. And then I pay. And also, Charlie, I salute you, man. Keep doing what you keep doing you, man. God bless.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank
man.
you.
Charlie.
Thank you.
I'm up for the message.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, boss.
Abraham.
Yeah, Bacho. Who Bacho this one? Bacho. Who didn't have your cassette?
Abraham. Molash there because I'm from UK.
Yet you
will think of and dear. Abraham, wouldn't be. Say, see, young son, and in India.
That's it.
No. Who friend me, and I can say,
yeah.
Now, the catcher will say, who I can say, ye attempted any all kind of insult in Finia Cafe.
Yeah.
Now, last presentation we had before this, I see ye topic now we treat and I was said, I think you did a crabby.
Yeah.
Also, you manage your ways very, very well.
Yeah.
And my bigger joy say, sometimes, once the issues do what, say, oh, that clear. So I think the bigger crowd be famous. And yeah, in city.
Yeah. Correct.
But in all this, in your own wisdom, you can still present delicate issues without you having to step on anyone's toes.
Thank you.
That's it. Nyansa pa dear. That's
it.
And make a celebrity. You woman say, I said as CSF followers. Na Yama Jumidi Pentanasita, yeah, chilling Basso, on the Yamu Paso. Yamishra,
that's it.
The between commercial one catch of
yeah. Edam was CSF, Edam Nasi, Edam was in it, Modokesia, and we yatre and then you bray. A catch them. Mean disappoint him with that CSF. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Bacho. Who didn't have your cassette?
Pachom, you mean Bommy, the make a free a Germany. Yamisi and Kano, enemy first time, Mape Avo Moche said him in Nidino, and then me first time, Mape Nasem. And honestly,
Mingini Dimum, but Owusu Bempa Mama trusty guy way. Owusu Bempa Mama pe guy way asem papa. And I'm Owusu Bemfanti, a free nelco, way, men for an India grow.
Yeah, that's it.
Meso my memoir kakram to me no me de beboa because of Owusu Bempa. Owusu Bempa or ye fake or ye evil or pagana fall down or per se or destroy ye peace, you know. But Nyakopo dimiti and walk it. Onja bleaching, you know. Normal Ghana for ne John Dramani Mahama or Mohun Tomu. Bibian so yawa Owusu Bempa yem fan of hun teneda. And now on to me your foco on yame on to me ye bibia into brother. Continue doing the good work. Don't mind her at all. You know. That's
it. CSF, where the madam was here, Fencia, Ochina, so ever life. Yankasana Mintiapo. Now I'm what didn't you, but Mambe Casa, now Medimo Rambo. T. Mention last video. Now, Mumma, Nembra. Now, into me and the next step. Or send message to me quote TV so. By all means, or send message quote TV so. To Madame Ginasi. CSF to the world. I cannot hear Juma, what in the brain. Bye bye.
Fititititire de bepemne insuhwem amayati asese nsu eyenkwa na asase edawe emu hanchichemu aduoson so eyensu na sete saade a denti na wotena se emansukom ane nsu enwanwo yiraw emawani tuka wonsem erade na ye drilling company limited won ababeso how bebria na nipa na mu efa
for online store for buy your friend abiexpress.com. Who approach memu na pobia to bibie friga na mawa and how hukra. And one is a ubeko online. Now what type it www.abiexpress.com. Now me say open taria and yen for baku neton, upe laser and yen for baku neton, upe katia and yen for baku neton. Bia upe biano and yen for baku neton. One your friend multiple vendors. Now me say uto wadian so and chakura na wonsaka. U America, UK, Canada. Yes, ya for 9 na baby bia wo biano. Shipping wunyamano dia bro in no time. Now me say Abi Express no yes a makola ewo online abiexpress.com kai say abini ABBI abiexpress.com online store papa abiexpress.com all in one source and pack.
Fititititire de bepemne insuhwem amayati asese nsu eyenkwa na asase edawe emu hanchichemu aduoson so eyensu na sete saade a denti na wotena se emansukom ane nsu enwanwo yiraw emawani tuka wonsem erade na ye drilling company limited won ababeso how bebria na nipa na mu efa nsu ho wobetu asase yem kopem se wobetu nsu pa ehotew ne watu ade amawo borehole drilling yayebi water treatment services yaye visibility studies ehun se baabia wo kire yense yentuno ayade ebetu nsu asase ne yem ansa ne yetu yaye hand and electronic pump installation hydrofracture yade machines ahoro esi asase neni ne yatunsu na fi baabi biare wa begu faako yem borehole drilling no ehotew wutimenom wode horade egware mpa unya ohaw ankrankrai afiesim apartment ahoro insurance hotels estate developers washing bay nyumeku momre ne rade na ya drilling company limited yabeboa mo enyen supa putu yang was 0245 636 634 and 02471 714 72. Erade na ya drilling company limited. This is Su Ayenkwa.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water. Hi. Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.